So what's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the bulbs inside of the rear tail light of the Honda CRV. This is a 2011 model. It's the Honda CRV EXL. The bulbs I'm replacing, these are the models from Sylvania. Both the brake light and the signal were out, so I'm using these two to change it. First thing you gotta do is, there's these small tabs that cover the screws right here, that cover the screws right there. You're gonna have to pop those out with a flathead or something like that. Then you can see there's a Phillips head screw in there. You can use a Phillips head, or you can use a 8mm or a 5/16 socket to remove them. To remove those, you have to pop out the rear light, and from here you can access all three lights that you need to replace them, and afterwards put the light back in how you took it out, and you just reverse the process from there. Now once you put those back in, you just have to bolt it back down, put those caps back over top, and just make sure they work. During the day you can't really tell that much. Just make sure at night that they work, and you should be good. Hope this to help you guys out. See ya.